and thank you for tuning in. Today we have an extra special and amazing Harley-Davidson Softail Lowrider S up for sale. Only 295 miles on the odometer. This has been retrofitted with our 128 kit and a ton of other add-ons and extras. For the full information on the bike, please check out our website, www.americanclassicmotors.com. You can also give us a call, 610-754-8500, extension 112, as for John or Dave. Beautiful silver paint. Again, that 128 kit, Thunderheader black 2-in-1. Gray Vans grips, S&S carbon fiber air intake, graded risers, and a slew of other modifications to this bike. I'll tell you, in person, that pipe is just fantastic sounding, at least to me. I hear these bikes all day long. It really, really sounds good. That Thunderheader is amazing. Just in case you missed it, again, our website, www.americanclassicmotors.com. You can also give us a call, 610-754-8500, extension 112, as for John or Dave. Thanks for watching. Hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day.